Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the warranty status of your LENOVO V15. The quickest way to do that is using the LENOVO Vantage application. It's the app available in the Microsoft Store, but I understand you if you don't want to download any applications for just one purpose, so you can just open the Microsoft Edge web browser instead, or Google, or basically your browser. Then go to the search engine and search for Lenovo for warranty check. Then find the pcsupport.lenovo.com website that says device warranty lookup, and open this website. And on this website, either enter your device serial number if you are not doing it on this on the same laptop. So it's if you are not doing it on your Lenovo laptop, then enter your serial number right here. The serial number is located on the back side of your device. You can check it right there. We even have a separate video on our channel explaining how to find your serial number, or you can just detect your device if you're using it on your Lenovo laptop. So it's much more convenient to use device detection. Just confirm that you agree to service breach terms and conditions and click check. Then click open right here. Okay, and right now, as you can see here, we can see the warranty status. This laptop is in warranty. The support status will be active for 16 more months. And that's basically how you can check your device's warranty status. This here is the start date, the end date, and all the information you may be interested in. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.